I don't want to go outside. Hey, yeah, that's what I'm about to do anyways. Let's go outside now.
Wait a minute. Did I already spill milk? Show the side of me.
Are you ready?
Welcome back to my channel. And
Part 3 is actually gonna be coming out like tomorrow or either Thanksgiving, which will be a Thanksgiving episode. But right now we're doing like a little nature walk, so you can see our neighborhood. If you want to see our neighborhood, why would you do that? If you want to see our neighborhood, come with us. 3, 2, 1, go.
Our house. Right here you can see our house.
Oh wait.
You got a fireplace. Not really like a fireplace.
And my pumpkin's like right there.
A bee catcher. And my brother's running a pine. Pumpkin.
I should go check on him. Wait, is this stem still green? No. Oh no.
No, he's gonna die. Ditto. Show them how I flop.
So anyways, let's go on the nature walk now.
All of our neighbors and houses.
Layla?
Huh?
We should be quiet and walk into the yard.
And that's a little sister. Andy mad at me.
Hey Andy.
I'm coming outside.
Okay, go get your jacket.
Go get your jacket.
Yeah, so our sister's joining the nature walk.
Woo!
So let's go now. Huh.
You see our drive-through.
I'm not gonna try to make it when I'm trying to feel someone. I'm just gonna try to. I need to get a closer look at that. I'm not gonna try to film someone. I just need to see that. Wait a minute.
Show them a pothole.
Huh.
Over here. A pothole. Over here.
Oh, sorry.
A pothole. You can barely see it.
Wow, look at all that cloud green. That's
Heck no.
Here's that pothole. You can see we have some debris. You can see we have some debris from the from Hurricane Ian. We only had the remnants of it.
And on my hands, you see F- and A+. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but yeah. I wrote on my hand yesterday. It's not coming off. I'm gonna be turned to Peppa Pig.
Oh wait, what?
What the heck is that?
Oh no. Anyway, if you can see, I see an animal over there. I don't know what it is. You can see our sister's coming out.
Dude, look, it's raining sand. It's raining sand.
Stop. No. No. Huh? I think my saxophone down. Hello, Andy. We're making another video. Okay, Layla, stop throwing the rocks before we get in trouble.
Somebody pulling in this way and they're beeping at us. That means it's grandma.
Okay, let's go. Just in case, let's go over here.
Yeah.
hi to the viewers.
Hi.
What the heck is it?
I heard a noise like I think a pig. No,
Huh.
no, it's just the wind.
What's that over there? It could be a rabbit. Let me zoom in. Enhance. Justify.
What the heck is... Dude, is that a rabbit?
It could be a rabbit, a turtle. Cameras just stop before someone thinks we were filming them. Let's do a nature walk. Let's do a nature walk now. Everyone be quiet.
Well, yeah, is this doo-doo?
Everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet. Do 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 do. Yeah.